Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. So, firstly I will show you how to change it on your Android device, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part also to find a similar path to these settings. Or maybe you don't. Okay, on your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android right here, and it's located at the bottom in the settings. Enter into accessibility, then we need to scroll down again, and at the bottom we will find audio adjustment. We need to tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance here. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, just move this dot to the left, but again, you need to find a good balance here, so you need to test it. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings. Then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance here, so you need to test it. If we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. And if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right. And again, you need to find a good balance. We just increase the volume for the right, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.